Ever find yourself on a beautiful beach vacation, ready to dive into the crystal clear waters, but hesitant to bring your camera along for fear of ruining it? Or maybe you're out on a thrilling adventure, capturing every moment, only to find your footage shaky and unclear. If you've ever asked yourself, what's the best camera that can withstand water and rough conditions while capturing stunning footage? You're in the right place. Today, 5. Insta360 X3 capture every angle. Finally, for those who want to document every aspect of their adventure, the Insta360 X3 is the perfect choice. Imagine capturing a 360-degree view of your surroundings, whether you're standing atop a mountain or swimming with dolphins. The X3's dual lens system captures everything around you, allowing you to create fully immersive video content. This camera isn't just about the wow factor, it's also practical. With advanced stabilization technology, your footage will be smooth and shake-free, no matter how intense the action. Its sleek, portable design makes it easy to carry, and with a user-friendly touchscreen interface, switching between capture modes is a breeze. You can connect it to your smartphone for live previews and quick sharing, letting your friends and followers experience your adventures in real time. Whether you're shooting in water up to deep depths or on land, the Insta360 X3's combination of rugged durability, ease of use, and high-quality 360-degree video makes it a fantastic tool for storytellers and content creators who want to bring their audience along for the ride. 4. Olympus Tough TG6, the rugged adventurer's dream. When you need a camera that can handle the extremes, the Olympus Tough TG6 is the answer. Picture yourself trekking through harsh terrain, from freezing mountains to dusty desert. The TG6 is not just waterproof up to 50 feet, it's also shockproof, crush-proof, freeze-proof, and dust-proof. No matter where your adventures take you, this camera is built to last. Featuring a 12-megapixel sensor and a powerful image processor, the TG6 captures sharp, detailed images even in low light. The versatile 4x optical zoom lens with a bright f/2.0 aperture lets you frame your shots perfectly, while its macro shooting capabilities let you get up close and personal with nature, capturing the intricate details of tiny creatures or flowers. But where the TG6 really shines is underwater. Specialized modes like underwater microscope and underwater HDR adjust color and exposure to capture stunning, true-to-life underwater photos. And with 4K video recording, built-in GPS, and a host of creative shooting options, this camera is perfect for anyone looking to push the boundaries of outdoor photography. 3. Now, let's talk about a camera that's perfect for adventurers on a budget, the AKASO K7000 4K. You might think that a lower price means compromised quality, but not with this little powerhouse. This camera can record stunning 4K video at 25 frames per second, making it a great choice for capturing high-quality footage without breaking the bank. Imagine exploring underwater worlds or capturing the excitement of a mountain bike descent. The EK7000's waterproof housing allows you to take it down to 100 feet underwater, making it perfect for snorkeling and diving. Its wide-angle lens captures more of the surroundings, giving you that immersive feel. And with built-in Wi-Fi, sharing your adventures is as simple as a tap on your smartphone. Whether you're shooting time-lapse videos of the sunset, bursting shots of wildlife, or slow-motion replays of your latest trick, the EK7000 offers versatility with multiple shooting modes. It's tough, reliable, and comes with a variety of accessories to mount it on helmets, bikes, or wherever your adventure takes you. 2. DJI Osmo Action 4, built for thrill seekers. If you're looking to capture the most thrilling moments of your life, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is a game-changer. Picture yourself diving into the deep blue sea, exploring vibrant coral reefs, and capturing every detail without the need for external housing. The Osmo Action 4 can withstand great depths, so you can confidently explore underwater environments. This camera doesn't just survive, it thrives. With its advanced stabilization technology, every video you shoot will be smooth and steady, regardless of how rough the action gets. The new sensor and lens combination captures clear, vivid photos and videos, even in low-light conditions, perfect for those dawn or dusk adventures. Navigating settings is a breeze with the Osmo Action 4's updated interface. Plus, with multiple screens including a front-facing one, you can easily frame perfect selfies and vlogs. And with its extended battery life, you can go further and longer without needing to recharge. The Osmo Action 4's AI capabilities ensure every shot is optimized for the best possible quality, while enhanced audio features make sure your videos sound as good as they look.